The 2025 BoltMotor Enduro 250 stands out as a practical and rugged dual-sport motorcycle built for riders who want versatility without breaking the bank. Manufactured in Russia, BoltMotor has carved out a reputation for delivering affordable, durable motorcycles designed for both road and off-road use. The Enduro 250 is a continuation of that mission, and the 2025 model refines the formula with subtle updates that enhance reliability, styling, and rider comfort. At the heart of the Enduro 250 is a 249cc single-cylinder, air-cooled 4-stroke engine. It's a straightforward power plant that emphasizes dependability over raw horsepower. Producing roughly 20 to 22 horsepower, it's not a race bike, but that's not the point. This bike is built to get you through trails, rough roads, and city streets with ease. The engine is simple to maintain, fuel efficient, and works exceptionally well in remote areas where high-end service centers are hard to find. The transmission is a 5-speed manual with smooth, predictable gear ratios. It delivers power steadily and is forgiving for beginner and intermediate riders. The clutch is light, and the gear changes are solid without being clunky. Whether you're cruising down a dirt road or navigating urban traffic, the Enduro 250 offers enough torque and responsiveness to keep things engaging without overwhelming the rider. One of the major selling points of the BoltMotor Enduro 250 is its chassis and suspension. The frame is tubular steel, built to take abuse and keep going. The suspension is basic but functional, with long travel telescopic forks up front and a rear monoshock that handles bumps and ruts surprisingly well for this price point. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel setup, standard for enduro bikes, allows for confident riding on rough surfaces, while the knobby tires provide adequate grip in mud, gravel, and sand. With a dry weight of approximately 130 kilograms, around 286 pounds, the bike feels light and maneuverable, especially when standing on the pegs and navigating tighter off-road sections. It's a great choice for riders who want to learn proper off-road technique without wrestling with an oversized adventure bike. The compact size also makes it easy to transport or load onto a trailer when heading out for weekend trail rides. In terms of design, the 2025 model receives modest visual upgrades, including new color schemes and slightly sharper bodywork lines. It still has a no-nonsense appearance, with functional plastics, a small front fender, and a minimalist headlamp. It doesn't look flashy, but that's part of its appeal. This is a tool, not a toy. The seat is narrow but well padded for short to medium distances. The upright riding position and wide handlebars provide good leverage and visibility whether on road or off. Instrumentation is basic but clear. A small LCD panel shows speed, trip meter, fuel gauge, and gear indicator. There's no connectivity or advanced tech, but for the price and purpose, it delivers everything necessary for both commuting and off-roading. Fuel capacity sits at around 11 liters, 2.9 gallons, giving the bike a range of over 200 kilometers, 125 plus miles, depending on terrain and riding style. That's more than enough for most dual-sport trips and daily errands. Parts availability and servicing are straightforward within Russia and nearby countries, with BoltMotor offering a decent aftermarket catalog for customization or repairs. The BoltMotor Enduro 250 is ideal for riders who need a dependable and affordable machine to get off the beaten path. It's not trying to compete with high-end Japanese or European dual sport, but it doesn't have to. It fills a niche where price, simplicity, and reliability are more important than power or tech. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore off-road riding or a seasoned traveler needing a backup workhorse, the 2025 Enduro 250 is a strong contender. It's the kind of bike that just works, regardless of where you ride it or how hard you push it.